To disable pop-up notification for dog barking alerts in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Under priority section, tap dog barking. While the alert for dog barking sound notification is set to alert, tap the blue on off switch next to show as pop-up to disable this option. When the switch turns green, it means that this option is off. By adjusting the setting, when sound notification feature is on and it detects dog barking near you, your phone will not show the notification as pop-up. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.